Nursing school made fun. Once upon a time, in a faraway land called Diabetopia, there were two neighboring kingdoms, DKA Kingdom and HHS Kingdom. These kingdoms were ruled by two different kings, Keto and Hyper, respectively. In DKA Kingdom, King Keto was quite mischievous. He loved to throw ketones parties, where his subjects, the ketones, would have a wild time by causing trouble in the kingdom. These ketones would run around, causing chaos in the body. But one day, a brave knight named Insulin appeared in DKA Kingdom. Insulin was armed with a magical weapon called glucose key. With each swing of the glucose key, Insulin would unlock the castle doors, allowing glucose to enter the cells, providing them with energy. However, King Keto was not a fan of Insulin's heroic deeds. He would often sabotage the glucose key, preventing it from working properly. As a result, the cells were starved of energy, and the glucose couldn't enter. Over time, this caused a chain reaction. The cells, desperate for energy, began to burn fat instead. This process released a lot of ketones into the bloodstream, turning it acidic. The body's pH balance got all messed up, and chaos ensued. The kingdom was in a state of diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA. On the other side of the land, in HHS Kingdom, King Hyper had a different problem. He was constantly thirsty and drank gallons and gallons of water every day. His subjects, the sugars, were quite high-spirited and loved to party too. They would throw massive sugar parties, drinking all the water they could find. But, unlike in DKA Kingdom, there was no knight named Insulin to regulate the situation. The sugars were having an absolute blast, consuming all the water in the kingdom. The excess sugar in their bodies led to a rise in blood sugar levels. As the sugar levels soared, the body became overwhelmed. It tried to get rid of the excess sugar by filtering it out through the kidneys. However, the kidneys could only do so much, and they began to lose water in the process. Without enough water, the kingdom became extremely dehydrated. The cells were parched, and the body's fluids became thick and syrupy. This caused a state known as hyperosmolar hyperglycemic state, HHS, where the body was essentially in a sugar-induced drought. So, in summary, DKA Kingdom. King Keto throws ketones parties, blocking the glucose key, leading to chaos, acidic blood, and diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA. HHS Kingdom. King Hyper's sugary parties cause excessive thirst, dehydration, and a sugar-induced drought, resulting in hyperosmolar hyperglycemic state, HHS. Remembering this fun story can help you recall the key aspects of DKA and HHS. Just think of the mischievous King Keto and his ketones causing acidic chaos, and the thirsty King Hyper and his sugars creating a dehydrated drought. Thanks for watching.